What's going on, YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be talking about everything that I just did to my truck, as you saw in the thumbnail. So if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you can be notified when I drop videos. Alright, so let's get into it. So if you saw the thumbnail, got some new wheels for the truck. Also redid the entire front end and lifted it about 3 inches, did a little torsion key lift. So basically pretty much just got a wolf suspension leveling kit, which is 3 inches, and the keys aren't all the way maxed out, they're near though. Got some Bilstein struts to go with it, and then I also got some 20x12 -44 offset motive off-road Magnus. I can't remember the exact model number, but they're motive off-road Magnus with some Needle Ridge Grappler 33x12.5 R20s. So it looks great. So I'm not gonna keep rambling on. We can talk about the details after y'all see the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see it right now. Alright, so now that you've seen the truck, here it is now. It's been raining and snowing since I've put everything on. I live in Texas, so yeah, I got hit by the snowstorm. Everything's good though. But yeah, here's pretty much how the truck sits. I know it's real dirty, but it still looks good. And you know, the tail lights look good, everything came together. So yeah, pretty much these are the motive off-road Magnus. Can't remember the number, forgive me, but this is how it turned out. And so for the front end, I pretty much used Cognito upper control arms when I rebuilt the front end, Kryptonite tie rods, and I believe those are the only two aftermarket things I used. Besides, oh, and the Bilstein struts, I bought the ones that are meant for a 2 to 3 inch lifted truck. So those ride pretty good, but they're kind of stiff. Everything's kind of stiff. And yeah, I got Bilstein front and rears. I put new brake calipers up front from 07 Tahoe. I got the Ray Bistos 2 pistons, and then I went with Power Stop, the Extreme Truck and Tow, the drilled and slotted rotors and pads for the front and rear. And then I put the keys on with all of that, and that's how I got the look that it has now. So the one question everyone's gonna have is, does this rub? And short answer, yes. If you want it not to rub from the jump, just buy a 6-inch lift kit. I didn't want to go that high because it's kind of my daily right now. I'll show you where you need to cut, where you're gonna rub if you go with a 20x12 -44 real quick. So up front, you can see I already did a little bit of cutting right here. It was rubbing a tad bit right there. That's not gonna be your main problem area though. Where you're gonna have a lot of rubbing is on this plastic side step, which can be cut. It's gonna be all off in this area, and then the fender liner. You got to cut both of. You'll have to cut both of those. So those are gonna be your main problem areas. If you go with 35s, good luck. That's all I can tell you. I would not suggest going with 35s on a leveling kit. You probably can get away with more cutting, but yeah, I wouldn't do it. So yeah, that's pretty much the only problem I'm having is a little bit of rubbing up front, which is fixable with the 33s. So I'm overall happy with it. I saved myself at least $2 grand. First shop quoted me $4 grand for a lift kit, just for the lift kit and the lift kit installation and installation of like the whole front end. So I probably paid a fourth of that, if not even less, total. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the installation. We can get back out here. So the rears, you can see they're sitting good. Brakes look good. Again, the wheels, they look good. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so that's just the overall, you know, view of everything that happened with the Tahoe. I did make videos of me installing everything myself, but I don't know what happened to them. I really don't know. So I'm sorry that I couldn't give you all the point of view experience of me doing everything, but I still have some cutting to do, so I'll get to that whenever this weather clears back up. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, posting all different kinds of content right now. If y'all want to see anything done to the Tahoe or anything on the channel in general, y'all let me know too in the comments below. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for more content, but as always, y'all take it easy and I will catch y'all on the next video.